Hello viewers, hope you're doing well. Today in this video, I'm going to call Get Images API in React.js application. So let's get started. As you can see, the app.js file. So first of all, I'm going to create a new state for the images with the type of array. Let me initialize this with the new state and it will be a type of array. After that, I'm going to create an async function with the name fetch images. Inside this, I'm going to add here try and the catch block. The catch block will catch an exception in case of API failing. Inside the argument of the catch, I'm going to catch here the error. And here inside the catch block, I'm going to add here console.error to print the error message in the console. Let me add here the string that we have error fetching images. And here I'm going to add the error. Now inside the try block, I'm going to call here the import that we have Axios and the mapping that we have get. Inside the codes, I'm going to pass here the URL of our endpoint that we have http://localhost:5555. Let me copy this. Let me add inside the codes. So it will be a await. And here I'm going to create a variable with the name response. After that, I'm going to add here console.log to print the API response in the console. After that, let me call here the use state that we have set images, and inside the argument of this, I'm going to pass here the fetched images. So it will be a response.data.images. Now after that, I'm going to add here the hook that we have use effect. We have to call the method fetch images inside the use effect hook. Use effect will run when the component mount. We have to call the fetch images API as well after posting the image. So let me call here the method that we have fetch images. After that, I'm going to add the HTML code to show the image with the title and the posted username. As you can see, the paper tag, let me minimize this. After the paper tag, we have a div with the styling properties, display flex, flex wrap, justify content, and the margin top. Inside this, we are calling here the use state that we have images to get the image one by one. Inside this, we have a card tag with the property key where we have passed image ID. After that, we have a few styling properties, margin and the width. Inside the card, we have a card media where we have to show the actual image. After the card media, we have a div with the styling properties, padding and the background color. Inside this, we have a typography tag to show the image title. At the last, we have a typography tag where we are showing the posted username. Let me import the card from the material UI. After that, I'm going to import here card media. Now you can take a look of the app.js. Now let's go back to the browser. As you can see, the fetched images where we are getting the title and the posted username as well. So that's all for now from my side. If you have any confusion, you can do comment. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.